Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change region in TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok app. After opening the app, you can now go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. And now you can tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy at very last option. And after this you can scroll down here, tap on language, tap on app language, and after this you can select the country language that you lived in, and after selecting the language you can just simply download the VPN in your app store or play store and connect it the VPN, and it is a way you can change region in TikTok app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted content like I do trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.